Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Daily. I'm Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. Welcome to day 7 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
Congratulations! You've already completed 6 days of practice.
Every day you listen, every day you speak, and every day your English becomes stronger.
Today's topic is one of the most useful topics for real life.
Travel.
Whether you're visiting another city, taking a vacation, or traveling abroad, these sentences will help you communicate with confidence.
Today you'll learn how to ask for directions, buy tickets, check into a hotel, and much more.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Sentence 75.
I am traveling today.
Listen carefully. I am traveling today. Again, I am traveling today. Now it's your turn. Excellent. Sentence 76.
Where is the airport?
Repeat after me. Where is the airport? Again, where is the airport? Wonderful. Sentence 77.
Where is the bus stop?
Repeat. Where is the bus stop? Again, where is the bus stop? Great job. Sentence 78.
How much is the ticket?
Listen carefully. How much is the ticket? Again, how much is the ticket? Excellent.
Wilbert, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I do. I love visiting new places. How about you?
Me too. I like meeting new people.
Traveling is a great way to practice English.
That's true. Many people speak English around the world.
Pronunciation tip. Let's practice one important word. Airport. Airport. 2 parts. Airport. Not airport. Say it smoothly. Airport.
Now another word. Ticket. Tick-et. Ticket. Very nice.
Sentence 79.
I would like 1 ticket, please.
Repeat after me. I would like 1 ticket, please. Again, I would like 1 ticket, please. Wonderful.
Sentence 80. What time does the bus leave?
Repeat. What time does the bus leave? Again, what time does the bus leave? Excellent. Practice Conversation Part 1. Donna, where are you going today?
I'm going to Vancouver. How about you?
I'm going to Toronto.
Are you flying?
Yes, I'm taking a plane.
How exciting! Did you buy your ticket already?
Yes, I did.
Great! Now you only need to pack your bags.
That's right. I can't wait for the trip. Sentence 81.
Can you help me?
Listen carefully. Can you help me? Again, can you help me? Excellent. Sentence 82.
I am looking for my hotel.
Repeat after me. I am looking for my hotel. Again, I am looking for my hotel. Wonderful. Sentence 83.
Can you show me the way?
Repeat. Can you show me the way? Again, can you show me the way? Great job. Grammar tip. Let's learn a useful question. Where is?
You can ask, where is the airport? Where is the station? Where is the hotel?
Just change the last word. It's easy. Sentence 84.
Turn left.
Listen carefully. Turn left. Again. Turn left. Excellent.
Sentence 85. Turn right.
Repeat after me. Turn right. Again. Turn right. Wonderful.
Sentence 86. Go straight.
Repeat. Go straight. Again. Go straight. Excellent.
Practice Conversation Part 2.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the train station.
Go straight, turn left. It's next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip. Sentence 87. I have a reservation.
Listen carefully. I have a reservation. Again. I have a reservation. Excellent.
Sentence 88. I would like to check in.
Repeat after me. I would like to check in. Again. I would like to check in. Wonderful.
Sentence 90. What time is checkout?
Repeat. What time is checkout? Again. What time is checkout? Excellent.
Sentence 90. Have a safe trip.
Listen carefully. Have a safe trip. Again. Have a safe trip. Fantastic.
Practice conversation, hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
My name is Wilbert.
Thank you. Your room is ready.
Great. I would like to check in.
Certainly. Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock. Check-out is at 11.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful stay.
Listening practice.
Now, just listen. Don't repeat yet.
I am traveling today. Where is the airport? Where is the bus stop? How much is the ticket? I would like one ticket, please. What time does the bus leave? Can you help me? I am looking for my hotel. Can you show me the way? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. I have a reservation. I would like to check in. What time is checkout? Have a safe trip.
Shadowing practice. Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me.
I am traveling today. Where is the airport? Where is the bus stop? How much is the ticket? I would like one ticket, please. What time does the bus leave? Can you help me? I am looking for my hotel. Can you show me the way? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. I have a reservation. I would like to check in. What time is checkout? Have a safe trip.
Fantastic.
Practice questions.
Now, answer these questions out loud. Question 1. Do you like traveling?
Pause the video and answer.
Question 2. How do you usually travel? By bus, by train, by plane, or by car?
Take your time.
Question 3. Which country would you like to visit?
Wonderful. Speaking every day will help you become more confident.
Review.
Today, you learned useful travel English. You can now ask for directions, buy tickets, find your hotel, and check into a hotel in English.
You also learned useful direction words. Turn left, turn right, go straight. These are very important when traveling.
7 days completed. You've already learned 90 useful English sentences. Keep practicing every day. You're making amazing progress.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, which country would you like to visit someday?
For example, I want to visit Japan because I love the food.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Talk Daily, and share this lesson with a friend who wants to improve their English.
We'll see you in day 8.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.